Hey guys, welcome back to the second and final part of our video series on how to use metamask. In the previous video, I told you guys how to register an account on MetaMask and how to add Binance Smart Chain and BNB coin to your MetaMask wallet. Please click the link in the description below to watch the first part if you missed it. Now, moving on to today's video, in which we will be talking about how to connect your MetaMask account to Pancake Swap and how to withdraw your funds from MetaMask. To add any coin via Pancake Swap on your Android, simply go on your browser and type SafeMars contract address. Or, if you want to buy any other coin, just put the name of that coin there, followed by the contract address. Open the first link that you see, then go to Profile Summary and copy the contract address. Then note the decimals that are given below it. In this case, they are 9. Now go back to your MetaMask wallet and click on the plus sign that says Add Tokens. You will see two options there, Search and Custom Tokens. Tap on Custom Tokens and paste the contract address there. The app will automatically update the token symbol and the token of precision. Then tap on Add Token, and you will be able to SafeMars token on the main screen of the app in a few minutes. Once the token is added, you can now buy it from PancakeSwap by opening the drop-down menu and clicking on the browser. Ensure that your browser is on Smart Chain. It will redirect you to PancakeSwap Finance, and if it doesn't, please see the link in the description and copy-paste it into the browser on your app. Just tap on the 3 lines you see on your browser, go on Trades, and then Exchange. Then simply click on the Connect button on the top right of your browser and connect it to your MetaMask wallet. You will be able to see the added BNB coins, but not the currency you want to swap it to. By clicking on Select a Currency and pasting the contract address, you will be able to add SafeMars in it. Congratulations! Now you can convert your BNB coins to SafeMars or any coin of your choice. Keep in mind that the slippage tolerance should be set to at least 5%, and if that does not work, simply keep increasing it until it gives you an option to swap the coins. After going back to your wallet, you should be able to see the swapped coins in a couple of minutes. Before moving on to the most important part of our video, I would like to remind you to please like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss out on any of our crypto updates. Thank you for doing that. Now, I will be telling you about how to withdraw your funds from MetaMask. Just select any token that you want to withdraw, in this case select the BNB token and click on Send. Now, in the To section, put the address of any of your public exchanges, such as Binance, but keep in mind that it should support BEP20 exchange. Now click on Next and select the amount of BNB coins that you want to transfer. It will now show what amount of gas fees it will take to transfer the amount of BNBs that you want to. After clicking on Send, it will be transferred to your desired public exchange. That's all for today, folks. Hope you liked our video. Do not forget to smash that thumbs up button.